Hello everyone. Today I'll introduce you to Arduino Uno using Tinkercad. We'll cover the basics of Arduino, digital input and output, and finally we'll write our first LED blink program. What is Arduino? Arduino is an open source electronics platform. It's based on simple hardware and software, which makes it beginner friendly. The most commonly used board is the Arduino Uno. Arduino is widely used in robotics, automation, IoT projects, and quick prototyping. Arduino Uno board overview. This is the Arduino Uno. It has a microcontroller called Atmega 328B. It provides 14 digital input and output pins, 6 analog inputs, a USB port for programming, and a power supply. It operates at 5 volts. The reset button helps restart the code at any time. What is Tinkercad? Tinkercad is an online simulation tool by Autodesk. It lets us design circuits and test Arduino code virtually without needing physical hardware. This is very helpful for beginners to practice safely. Digital input or output. Arduino communicates with the outside world using input and output pins. Digital input reads high or low, for example, narrating if a button is pressed or no. Digital output sends high or low to control things like LEDs. The main functions we use are pin mode, digital write, and digital read. Next, we'll see our first experiment to blink an LED. LED is connected to pin 13 with a resistor and the ground is connected to Arduino's ground. Let us see the code for this. This is the blink program. We declare pin 13 as output in setup. In the loop, we turn the LED on with digital write as high and wait for 1 second. Turn it off with the low and again wait for 1 second. This repeats continuously. This is how it works. Pin mode sets the pin direction. Digital write changes the voltage of the pin to high or low. Delay gives a time gap. So the LED turns on and off at 1 second interval. Applications of LED blink. Blinking an LED is the simplest Arduino program, often called the Hello World of Arduino. It is the foundation for traffic lights, signal indicators, alarms, and many timing-based applications. To summarize, Arduino is a simple yet powerful platform. Digital I/O is its core feature. The Blink program shows how easily we can control electronic components using Arduino and Tinkercad. This is how the LED blink works in Tinkercad. The light goes on and off for every 1 second. Thank you.